Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video today I want to show you how you can actually make up to $300 every single day using your smartphone. Yes, you see this phone I have around here. You have one, right? Raise your phone now, let me see. Yes, so this particular phone where you have right here, you don't know how much about the asset it is, and there are a couple of mobile applications that are on this phone that actually you start making money as much as $300 every single day. I'm going to be giving you access to those mobile apps right now so that you can actually start using them to make money for yourself. Because these days, where our government is actually acting up, our economy is actually everywhere, and man, we all need to make more money, right? Yes, so if you're actually interested in this one, let me know in the comment section below. Tell me, yes, Franklin, that I'm interested in knowing these apps in the comment section below. And I'm just going to jump straight into the very first one. It's in no particular order. All of them just works, right? And I've tested at least 3 out of these 4. There are some that actually have very good prospects, so they can actually know what you're doing while you are using these applications, okay? So the very first one here is Sileno Network, okay? Coming up here, you can actually see the website right here. This is Sileno Network, and here you get to actually start mining noise coins with the free mobile app, whether you're using the app you can download from the Google Play Store or the Android App Store. Right, there are a couple of things that you basically can actually get to do with this, and what they just want you to do is just to calculate the amount of noise in a particular location, whichever location where you're currently at. So the Sileno basically is a community-powered network that rewards users, which is you, with noise coins for recording and analyzing noise levels in their surrounding using their smartphone's microphone. So basically, they tap into your smartphone microphone. This is to record noise levels, and you get to be rewarded with the noise coin. Okay. Now, users can actually earn up to $300 per day by staying active and checking into venues in the app. And users actually earn 1 noise coin for each minute they track noise pollution. And using the app daily adds to a strict bonus. And you can actually earn as much as $300 every single day. Yeah. So this is basically how it works. And with this particular app, they usually would have this noise token, which is actually going to be launched soon. I think it's going to be launched at about, let's say, June, July, or so, just for that in a couple of months. So you can actually just start now and start accumulating a couple of, noise tokens on your app, and get to collect your rewards once they launch the noise token, which you can basically send, get some dollars, and you're good to go. Okay, now you can also check them up on Twitter. Yes, you can actually see them on Twitter right here, about 32.4 followers, and you can actually see that there's a team behind this particular project, and they actually are updating this space, right? This shows you that this is quite legit, and they are really true to what they are saying. All right, yeah, so this is the very first app. Now the second app here that you most really want right now is Toa AI. Yeah, so Toa AI is actually more of like a freelancing website, and I know I've talked about this particular website in my videos in the past, but then this also comes in here because now they have an app, and with the app you can actually get to take a couple of jobs, do a couple of tasks, and you get paid. Yes, they could actually give you several tasks, ranging from you taking a survey to you trying to count a couple of data to entries and a couple of other stuff, and you're doing it on your phone and you're making money. All right, so that's the looker for you. So the third application here is Generate. All right, Generate ads, and coming over here it says make your data work for you. And they actually have a Chrome extension as well as a mobile application that actually syncs up with your browser. And you can easily just scroll through this particular website, and you can see here, earn from your data using Generate app on Google Store, on Safari data, Amazon data, and all. And you can just basically see the different ways you can actually earn on here. Okay, before we go over on the social media and get more info about them, let me just give you guys a couple of insights. And here, basically, it's a free browser extension that actually blocks ads and cookie pop-ups. And instead of showing user targeted ad based on their preferences, users can actually earn points from seeing these ads when their data is used by third parties. Right, there are lots of your data that are leaked out there and nobody gets to pay you, so you can actually earn a couple of points with just data that you are making accessible to this particular platform. That is just it. You can also set them up on several other social media platforms to really see how active they are on those spaces. Now the next app I'm going to talk about right here is MyContainer. Now this is actually a mobile app that actually allows you to stake crypto, and you get to hold and then make a couple of rewards from it. Right, and coming over on the website here, it says here we made crypto earning simple, and you can actually leverage crypto staking, yield farming, and cashback to earn passive income and make your crypto work for you. So here, there are a lot of opportunities, although this particular application can be quite complicated to a couple of beginners. So let me just go ahead and read up this for you guys so you can see. So it says here, the MyContainer is actually a secure piggy bank and yield earning platform for crypto users. And the platform actually allows crypto traders, investors, and takers to grow their passive income through multiple streams, such as crypto staking and cashback and airdrops, okay? And the MyContainer app basically helps to eliminate the complexity of crypto staking in the decentralized finance, and users just need to deposit tokens into their wallet or buy their preferred tokens and start earning good rewards. So if you're actually somebody who most probably don't know how to trade crypto and all, and you actually want to stake for long term and all, this is actually an application that you most likely want to leverage on, okay? The final one here is Noodle. And coming over here, it says Digital Trust Network for Social Good. Now, this particular website, they actually have application for your mobile phone, of which you most probably would want to use. So how do you actually make money from Noodle? So Noodle Cash App basically is where users get to earn passive income in any given location at any time. And this basically happens by users allowing a very small amount of data processing on their phone to connect to IoT devices, okay? And let me just give an example of this. So imagine during your daily activities, as you pass by an IoT like a scooter, a fitness tracker, or a smart light bulb, your Noodle app offers a small amount of low-energy Bluetooth to secure relay of information for each of these devices. And in turn, Noodle gets to reward you with what they call the Noodle Cash. And this Noodle Cash, you can also actually swap it up for cryptocurrency still while you make money using this particular platform. Now, this particular 5 apps here, it can actually sound quite complicated, but the major thing here is the fact that they earn you legit money, and you really need to understand how they work full time and how to even utilize them to make this cool money for yourself. All right. So I'm actually looking at which of them I can actually take a deep dive into to give you guys more insight on actually how I've used them to make money. Like I said, I've used about 3 of these guys, and they've really worked for me. So you too can also do the same and also share testimonials with me on this particular video. Okay, like I said, they can actually earn you $8 every single day if you can actually stick to 1 or 2 and make the most out of it. Okay, so this is for the particular video today, guys. So let me know your thoughts about these apps in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.